Hello, everyone. It is Mr. Whisker 1. I probably just lisped that up. But this is my first ever upload. Huh, it's funny, but no, it's not. But after numerous repeated uploads that failed, I'm actually gonna stick with this one. Now, this is the first ever video, and it's gonna be a tutorial. Now, if you haven't seen the description of my channel, you better go check that out and see what I'm all about. And in this video, I'm gonna show how to make Forge happen. Now, the first thing you're gonna do, this is Mac, of course, but similar steps will happen if you're using Windows, so don't feel left out. I'm gonna show you how to put it on a server. I'm gonna show you how to do it on your Minecraft. And so the first thing you gotta do, go on your browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer if you use that one, and you're gonna go to Minecraft. Don't show me that forum.net and enter. Now you're gonna go here to forums, click that before it even loads, and scroll down to Minecraft mods. Right here. If you know any faster way, I have it like in my thing, so I don't have to, but you're on the mod list, click here to go to the latest list. And it's right here, 1.7.2. If you're fine with crashes when you do certain things that aren't necessary, I'll do this. In my Let's Play that I'm gonna make soon, I'm going to use Forge in 1.7.2. If it crashes a lot, I'll take it off. But I might get some mods, but as you see, buggy. Proceed with caution. Some mods for this version are unstable and may crash. Okay, I told you right there. Now, since all these things have Forge in the name, I can't really type in Forge, so I'm gonna scroll down, but it's only 28 mods, so I can just find that. Now, you're gonna want to click either latest work installer. Now, in this first video, I am going to show you how to make it on this. I'm going to show you how to put it on single player and put it on a server. Now, you skip ad and keep. Now, while we wait for this to load, I'm going to go onto my desktop and new folder. I'm going to name it modded server underscore whatever. You can name it whatever you want. 0.7.2. Okay? Now, I know this is in my downloads, so I can just exit out of that. I don't really feel like it. But you find the thing wherever you get stuff when you download. Find it, and you open it up. Open. Now, you wait a second. Now, you install your client. It automatically has it, so you don't have to find or whatever. And you install. Now, this will take a second. Success. And after that, if you want to get a mod, download it off of this mod list right here. Don't really recommend it because there are only like some mods that work. And then you go into your Minecraft directory, .minecraft, application supporter, and all that crap for Windows, but I have it on the side. And you go into the mods folder and put whatever mods you want. I have damage indicators already. Whatever. And you click edit profile, and it's already there, but in case it's not, it will be at the bottom, and it's one that says Forge. save profile, and click play. This will take a second. Exit out of YouTube. Now some mods, you gotta be careful. Just when you download them, check to make sure that it's not a thing hidden, like a readme description. So make sure you like open up the file. If it's a jar, you're okay. People like never would have a jar that you have to open up. Now, as you see, 4 mods loaded, 4 mods active, and I'm afraid to do this. It's probably gonna crash because that's what always happens. I'm using a resource pack. I gotta turn that off because, you know, and mods, and it does crash still. You can live without it. And your Minecraft is modded. Now, remember that file I created named modded server 1.7.2? Yeah, that's going to be of use to us right now. Now we go to downloads, go to Forge, open it up, and wait a second. This is to get the server again. And it's already, yeah, whatever. Can't be opened. Okay, now we go. Okay, install server, and it gives you this red thing. So you gotta click that. And you gotta go to your user, whatever its name is. Yeah, that's not me, just so you know. You don't have to stalk. Oh yeah, and this isn't a new account. All I've been doing is just stalking and commenting and stuff, but I've never actually really went into videos, but gonna do that now. So Christopher Pearson desktop and modded server 1.7.2, the one that we created. Choose. Okay, and it will get to work. This takes a long time, and while that's waiting, I don't know what to do, but I'll just get back to you when it is done loading. So this should be happening for you, and I will be right back. And I am back to resume this. It took a surprisingly long time. I was just like mousing over what the time was, and then I realized that I don't have full screen up here. But you go into modded server, and alright, so we got these. The Minecraft server 1.7.2, that's the one that you click, double click it. Now, to run my servers, I use Hamachi. You can download it off the internet. Once you get it, you can, there's an installer, you install it, and it gives you this blue bubble. I'm not going to go over how to install it. You should know that. And so, if you want, this is an easy way to have like a private server. So you go to network, create a new network, and you just name it whatever you want. And then you'll have this IP at the top. Mine is 25.168.14.171. And yours will be something random. It's not your actual home IP, so don't be worried. Nobody can really hack from it, so that's why I don't care. And if you try to join my server, you need to be in one of my groups. Now you take that IP, we don't need this right now. It should have ran all right like that. And we have a world generated, and it created all these files. Now you're going to want to open server properties. Server IP is a thing that you just saw. 14.171. And the server port, I use 256.0.5. That's what I do with all these servers, and you can tell I have a lot. Level name, I don't know why you would want to, but you can rename it to like something really short, like one letter, and you just name that file that letter. It doesn't really matter. And for this, you're gonna name it YouTube things. And the exercise ball has escaped my feet. Max players, you can do all this. I'm gonna do a game mode 1, so it's just easy. And that's it. Now, you run that one more time, and you start up Minecraft. That's pretty much it. Okay. And the server's done. It's a lot faster because it doesn't have to generate the world on the first time. And so our Minecraft is pretty much good to go. Now you take that same IP that you had and go into your servers area. You type in the IP, colon, the port. So I said 256.0.5, yours would probably be 255.6.5 because that's a default or whatever, I think. I'm pretty sure. Go to single player, I meant multiplayer. And this is mine, YouTube things, just as I had. And so it would be 256.0.5 with a colon, that is a colon, not a semicolon, and there are dots. I don't know why I'm saying this, and done. And that's exactly how you do it. And it should work. You can join the server. I might be a little lagged because I'm using recording. I will be very lagged. And as you see, works, and I am very lagged indeed. And damage indicators is up and running too. And since I said game mode 1 is the default, oh yeah, the chat is there. You can use command blocks or anything. There's something, game rules, plugins. Well, you can't use plugins because this isn't Bucket. But you can fly around. I am super laggy. Don't worry, this is not how laggy it is normally. I meant this isn't gonna be how laggy it is if I play single player. Now, if we fly around, everything's generated as normal. Very, very laggy. And mushrooms. How perfect. I have no opinion about you new texture, but we are done. Okay, guys, that's it for modding your server and modding your Minecraft. If you want to get mods on the server, just new folder and mods. According to the description of the mod, for damage indicators, you no longer need to put it on both the server and your Minecraft, so don't need that, but any mods will work. Now, this is me signing off. Have a good day. Or night. Or whatever. But, bye.